Changing your verification method with Bank of America can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification preferences. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section. Look for an option related to security or verification methods. Step 3. Select Verification Method. In the Security Settings, find the section that allows you to change your verification method. This may include options like text message, email, or phone call. Step 4. Choose your preferred method. Select your desired verification method from the available options. If you choose text message or phone call, ensure that the correct phone number is listed. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your verification method will be updated. Always ensure your contact information is current to maintain account security.